Hey crypto enthusiasts! If you're looking to transfer your Dogecoin from Phantom Wallet to Crypto.com in 2025, you've come to the right place. With the latest updates to both platforms, this process is smoother than ever, but it's crucial to follow the steps carefully to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you're all set up. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device, a verified Crypto.com account, and some Dogecoin in your Phantom Wallet. Double-check that your accounts are secure and that you have access to both apps for a seamless experience. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet and log in securely. Once inside, navigate to your assets and select Dogecoin from your portfolio. This will bring up your Doge balance and transfer options. Step 2. Tap on the Send or Transfer button for Dogecoin. You'll see fields for the recipient's wallet address and the amount. Don't rush. Crypto transfers are final. Step 3. Switch over to your Crypto.com app. Go to the Wallets section, find your Dogecoin wallet, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip. Always verify the address by comparing it character by character to prevent errors. Step 4. Back in Phantom, paste the Crypto.com wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send, review any transaction fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to network updates, and hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Take a second to ensure everything looks right. Step 5. Once confirmed, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. This could take a few minutes, depending on blockchain congestion. Keep an eye on your Phantom wallet for status updates. Finally, head back to Crypto.com and refresh your wallet to confirm the Dogecoin has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time or check the transaction on a blockchain explorer. Remember, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Let's make transferring assets easy and fun.